Hey, Brennan here from Legalsites. Here's a quick video for you, how to get your law firm on 3 best rated. Now, quick disclaimer, I can't guarantee that you're going to get your website on 3 best rated, but I'll provide you with some quick tips and advice that has helped me get my clients on 3 best rated. So first of all, why would you bother? Well, this is one of those websites that going to help, it can help to give your law firm website a boost on Google. So it's good for your SEO. So if you want to get more clients on Google, you'd want to have more visibility and a higher presence on Google. And yeah, so this is one of those websites that can help out with that. It's also good for your social proof. So if you get listed on 3 best rated for a specific practice area and a location, then 3 best rated will usually send out an email to you congratulating you, and they will usually provide an image that's like a badge, and you can download that image and add it to your website. And it says the practice area and the location that you're listed for, which is cool. You can promote that on social media. You could promote it to your email list. You could add it to your email signature if you want. So it's just another one of those things that can help out. And it's actually free. Now, 3 best rated says it's always going to be free. We'll see about that, but for the time being, it's free to get on 3 best rated. So that's pretty cool. So why not have a go? Now, some tips. First of all, before you even bother, I would recommend that you get at least 3 Google reviews that are 5-star Google reviews. If you don't have those reviews, it's unlikely that you'll get listed. You can still try, but I would recommend getting at least 3 to get started. Now, applying is super easy. You just go to the 3 best rated website, click on list of business. There's all this stuff you probably should read, and then you can apply here. So that's easy. Now, I would recommend that you create just a basic document on your computer where you can stay organized, just like a text edit thing like I've got here, or Google document, or whatever works for you. And then every time, you can copy paste your business name, your website address, your phone number, and all those other things that you're going to be using over and over again. So when you are applying for other similar websites, you can refer to that document. When you're applying for other business categories, practice areas, different locations, you can just copy paste that information and just chuck it in there, so you don't have to type it out and find it every time. So staying organized can help. That leads me on to the next thing, which is I would recommend that you apply for multiple locations and business categories and just kind of do it in one go. So apply for a location and a business category, and then, hit submit, and then look for another relevant location and another relevant business category. Like, for example, a lot of law firms will have multiple practice areas. So you might do conveyancing, and you might do family law and some, employment law and all that. You also might find that some of these business categories are less competitive than others. For example, it might be easier for you to get listed for consumer protection than it would be for family law, for example. So if you do offer some of these less competitive practice areas, it makes sense to apply. Now, answer as many questions as possible, not just the required ones that they've marked there. Supply high quality photos if you can, and they've asked, well, they generally ask for photos of your office, the interior. That's probably not essential, but at least supply some team photos like it says there. So right here, you can choose up to 3 files. If you don't have photos of your office, for example, just supply team photos and maybe your logo. Just ensure that they're high quality photos and not just, low res. Now, look at the TBR inspection report. So these are the things that they look at when they're considering if a business can be on their website. So just ensure you've got like a good presence on social media, that your location is like your office is closely located to the location that you're applying to. That generally helps, and make sure it's ideal if you've got a video. You don't need to have a video. You've got if you've got a good website, that can help as well. Now, if you get rejected, try again in a few months. Don't give up. So just keep trying, and persistence can pay off. Now, if you need some help, you can look in the links in the description to this video. If you are watching on something that's not YouTube, just go to YouTube and you'll find the links there, and hopefully that'll help you out. All right then, thanks for your time today, and have a great week.